Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is another makeup look I'm gonna be creating. I'm using the Morphe 34B palette, using this Morphe brush, and I'm picking up that light purple you guys seen and gonna use this all over my eyelid and just kind of blend that out very good. And gonna do the same thing to the other eye. So here I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye and just keep applying it, and yeah. So here I'm still blending, blending is key. So now I'm using the James Charles palette, and we're gonna use this dark purple shade into our crease. I lost the footage, but I used this in my crease, and then we're gonna use a Stila liquid eyeshadow, and I can't remember the name of it, but we're gonna use that to cut the crease. And then I'm using the dual glue here to use that in above our crease, and then I'm gonna use some holographic glitter that I have, and I usually mix the glitters, so it's not a specific one, but they are Jake Cat glitters that I mixed. So I'm sorry about that, but I lost the footage on that and wasn't able to retrieve it. But that's basically what I did here, and I just, kept blending, and then I did this is what I'm doing right here. I'm using the dual glue above my liquid eyeshadow, and then yeah, then I'm gonna apply the glitter. So here I'm still applying the glitter above the crease, and yeah, so I'm just applying it with this Morphe thin eyeliner brush. And yeah, so here I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. So now it's time for highlight, and I'm using the Milani Sun Glow here, and we're gonna put that all over because we gotta be popping. And now it's time for lashes. Here I am showing off my Shop Eden Rose lashes that I got in the mail, and I'm gonna unpackage them, and that's what they look like. They're in the style Bossy. You guys should go check them out on Instagram. They have very affordable, beautiful lashes at Shop Eden Rose on Instagram. So I just thought I would give you guys a close-up look on how the lashes look like, and their Instagram is Shop Eden Rose, in the style Bossy. So here are some pictures of the results of how my cut crease came out using the Shop Eden Rose lashes in the style Bossy and using the James Charles palette. I love the results, and this is how I came out. I also put a hot pink from the James Charles under my lower lash line. Thank you for watching.